Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create task on ClickUp. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app, and once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface of the ClickUp apps on in the screen. So let me close this one for now. And now you can see there is a plus icon at the bottom right corner of this screen. So let me tap on that plus icon, and you can see it is asking us to give a title of our task. So let's say, hey, to show you a demo. And now you can see it is asking us to give a description, so you need to give a description in here. So you can also add a assign as well. So once you tap on it, you can assign someone, and you can also set the dates as well. And if you want to customize your text, then you can see there is a more options in here: bold, italic, underline, and there is another one as well. So let me close this one. And if you want to add a photos or videos, then simply tap on this attachment, which is at the bottom left corner of this section. So once you tap on it, you can, let me keep current selection for now. And now you can see there is a upload files option, add videos. You can also capture a photos, and you can also see there is a view gallery option as well. So so once you complete everything, simply tap on the create option, and you will be able to create your tags on ClickUp app successfully. So basically this is how you can create tags on ClickUp. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.